Hello students, let us new topic coordinate geometry. We have already discussed unit 1 to 5. Now some important points. Point A, whose coordinate x and y. Point A, x is called x coordinate and y is called y coordinate. Point A, x coordinate is also known as abscissa and y coordinate is also called as ordinate. Some important points. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y coordinate or ordinate. This is your Cartesian plane, x-axis and y-axis. This is your origin, and let it be A whose coordinate is 2 and 1. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. The distance between y-axis from a point is known as abscissa. This is your abscissa. The distance from a point on the x-axis is known as ordinate. This is your ordinate. Ordinate, this is your abscissa, also called as x coordinate and also called as y coordinate. Now, coordinate of this point is 3, 0. This point lies on x-axis, so coordinate is 3, 0. Coordinate of this point is also right 1, 0. And similarly, coordinate of this point is known as 0, 3. Coordinate of this point is 0, 2. The coordinate of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0, x, 0, and a point on the y-axis of the form 0, y, 0, y, 0, y, 0, y. Now we discuss distance formula by using Pythagoras theorem. Point A whose coordinate x1, y1 and point B whose coordinate x2, y2. By distance formula using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now we write AB equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. If one point is origin and other point is xy, so distance of OP is root x square plus y square units. Again discuss distance between this segment known as x2 minus x1 and distance between this line segment, length of this line segment is known as y2 minus y1. Length of this line segment known as x2 minus x1. This is your right angle and this is your hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse equal to root b square plus p square. Your base is x2 minus x1 whole square plus perpendicular y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as distance formula between 2 points. Again repeat, OR equal to x1, OS equal to x2, so RS equal to x2 minus x1, which is also equal to PT. PT is also x2 minus x1. Opposite side of rectangle are equal. Now SQ is equal to y2 and ST equal to y1. So QT equal to y2 minus y1. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQT, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Base is x2 minus x1 whole square plus perpendicular is y2 minus y1 whole square. PQ equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is known as distance formula. Now we discuss example 1, very most important example. Do the points A, B, C form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. Let PQR be the given points by distance formula. PQ equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Value of x2 is, again repeat, this is your x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2. We need x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus as it is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square means plus 25. Minus 5 multiply minus 5 plus 25. Similarly, minus 5 whole square is plus 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Root 50. Also we write PQ equal to root 50 units. Now we find QR. Now let x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2. Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square. x2, value of x2 is 2 and value of x1 is minus 2. Minus plus. So we write 2 plus 2 whole square plus value of y2 is 3. Value of y1 is minus 3 minus plus 3. 3 plus 3 whole square. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square means 16. 3 plus 3 6. 6 square means 6 into 6 36. 4 into 4 16. Root 16 plus root 16 plus 36, that is root 52 units. Now we find PR, length of PR. This is your x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2. By formula of distance, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus 3 whole square. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1. Value of y2 3. Value of y1 2. 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 whole square. 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 3 minus 1 1 whole square. Minus 1 multiply minus 1 plus 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 plus 1 2. Root 2 unit. Clearly, sum of any two side is not equal to third side. This means PQR are not collinear. So PQR does not lie in a straight line. Hence, given points form a triangle because non-collinear points form a triangle. Now PQ square plus PR square. PQ square, PQ whole square plus PR whole square. Value of PQ is root 50. Root 50 whole square plus PR, value of PR root 2. root 2 whole square. We can write 50 plus 2, 52, and value of QR root 52, value of QR root 52, QR whole square equal to 52. This is your 52, this is your 52. So we write PQ whole square plus PR whole square equal to QR whole square. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, angle opposite to side QR is 90. So angle P equal to 90 degree. Hence triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Now do example 1 and some important definitions in your fair notebook. Thank you.